Hello, welcome back to my channel. What's up, guys? I know I've been MIA. I haven't posted a video in like months, honestly at least 5 months, around there. But the reason why I haven't posted is because I've been super busy. I've been so as you guys know, I have my own lash studio. But I'm back and I'm so excited because I am at my lash studio. So if you don't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I got my own lash studio and I feel like this is gonna be the perfect space to create content as well. So here we are creating a video. So today I wanted to film a tutorial using new ColourPop products. Well, they're not new, but they're new to me because I made a huge order on Black Friday. They had like a really good deal. I think it was like 30% off their whole website. So I took advantage of it. Well, I didn't. My boyfriend told me he'll give me $100 to splurge. He was like, I'll give you $100 for you could spend whatever, buy whatever you want for Black Friday kind of thing. So he spoiled me with this, and obviously when he told me $100, I thought makeup, and then I was gonna do Jeffree Star, but then I was like, I'm only gonna get a few things, so let me just get ColourPop. You know, it's so affordable, so why not? So let me show you guys the box. There's like a bunch of stuff in here. I ordered 2 foundations because I didn't know which one I was gonna be. I got medium 09 and medium 110. Sorry, it's not 09. Medium 90 and medium 110. I got the beauty blender. Not the beauty blender, the beauty sponge. I got 4 palettes. I got the Through My Eyes palette by iluvvsarahii, which I love her. I got the Like You a Lot. I got Blue Moon and Aren't You Glad? Like, I love oranges, so I needed this in my collection. And then I got 3 cream gel liners. I feel like I never put eyeliner in my waterline, so yeah. So I got a black one, a yellow one, and a blue one, just to like create fun colors. I got a Obsessed glittery something. This little glitter, that's all I got. On a lip gloss, which it's somewhere in here because I already used it. So yeah, I got this glitter, which is so cute. Let me show you guys. I'm kind of scared to put this in my eyes, to be quite honest, because the glitter's kind of chunky. But it's so pretty, and like I don't know. See how it looks? It's just a little bit weird, you know? Do you know what I mean? But I'm excited to try it out because it's cute, but I'm just worried. I don't know if you could put it on your eyes, to be honest. I should read into that. But anyways, today's video, I'm going to be using ColourPop products and some other ColourPop products that I have, just because I kind of want to make it affordable, you know, and all ColourPop products. So I think I'm going to use this one because I'm wearing like a nude top, and I don't know, I want something like goldish, and I feel like this is the only one that has like anything gold. And honestly, I've been wanting to try this one. I've been wanting to buy it for the longest time, but I didn't buy it because I don't know, I just, you know, but it's so pretty. Look at this, so cute. So I think I'm gonna play into like the warm tones, like up here, maybe a little bit of cranberry. I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, obviously if you guys want to see whatever I create, then just keep on watching. I feel like I'm all over the place because I haven't filmed a video in a long time, but it's just a chit chat, get ready with me kind of thing. So yeah, we are gonna prime the face, and for primer I'm gonna go ahead and use this one by Yensa. This one I got it at Ipsy Creator Day. I really like this primer, to be quite honest. It has 8 super black accents. I just feel like it makes my skin look very healthy and flawless throughout the day, and my foundation looks so good. Like, I don't look cakey or anything like that. So I just wrap a little bit and kind of just apply it here. I'm kind of talking low because I feel like this area is so quiet and people are gonna hear me, like my neighbors, you know, like, I don't know, it's so quiet in here. I should probably just film Sundays because I feel like no one's here Sundays, or like very late at night. But yeah, so this is what we're doing. Today I'm gonna go Christmas shopping for some of my friends because I want to get them some gifts, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna let that sit in. I already did my brows off camera, but to be quite honest, I forgot because I do have the ColourPop gel liners and I'm a big fan of them, but my hair is pretty dark and I only have Taupe and like another color like honey blonde. So what ended up gone, I use this in my kits, like my freelance kit. So if you're a freelance or you want to freelance, I highly recommend these gels. They're pretty affordable and pretty good. But I use Elf today. I love Elf. They're like doing construction, so if you guys hear noise throughout the video, I'm so sorry. And I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. I had a coffee and I think I'm just kind of nervous, so I'm kind of talking a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna jump into foundation. And I honestly think I'm gonna be medium 90 because I'm pretty pale right now. I heard really good things about this foundation. I guess it's like a matte finish, but my only complaint is it doesn't have a cap. I mean, I'm obviously gonna lose it, but still, like, I don't know. I just don't know how I feel about that. When I saw it, I was like, there's no cap, like, what? And then I got their sponge. I already wet the sponge. This one's from the Pretty Fresh collection. They're super affordable, reminds me a lot of Real Techniques, but it's like foam. I don't know how to explain it, like those pillow foams, you know, like it's just so soft. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna beat the shade. If not, oh well, like we'll make it work because I don't want to use the other one. And I'm a little bit stuffy too because I've been like sick, like sick, like I get better and then I get sick again from something else, which is pretty annoying. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put, I guess you like twist it to like lock it, unlock it, but still I feel like I would like a cap on this. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I feel like this was a good match. And just use the blender. I feel like this is medium coverage. And I feel like those 2 pumps disappear in one side of my cheek. I mean, you guys can kind of see the difference. It's not full coverage. I feel like it's like medium coverage. So I'm gonna put a little bit more. I'm gonna start on this side and then like whatever, like I'll just go a little bit more where I feel like I need more. The sponge is really soft, but I feel like it absorbs a lot of the product. Can you guys see that? Like, I just feel like it absorbed a lot of the foundation. I'm gonna do 1 more pump. So I already have 4 pumps, which I feel like that's a lot. I did like 1.5, and I'm just gonna go over like this area because this is like the area that I'm struggling with at the moment. Okay, so to be quite honest, I don't know how I feel about the foundation. I'm gonna try it out a little bit more like another day, but I don't know. I think I just need to shake my face too. But I don't know how I feel about it so far. I feel like it didn't really do much, like cover a lot on me, and I feel like it's just sitting on top, like it's not sinking into my skin. But we'll see right now when I set it and everything how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into concealer, and I'm using the ColourPop as well. This one's in light 12. I feel like it's a little bit too light for me, but I'll make it work. I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead. And I'm using the same sponge but the other side and just blend that out. I feel like the sponge absorbs a lot of the product, to be quite honest. Not a big fan of the sponge. Maybe that's why I didn't feel like the foundation gave me that coverage. But I feel like the sponge totally absorbs a lot of the product. So I'll probably have to give this foundation another try without this sponge. Like, look at that. No wonder no one talks about this sponge, huh? I'm gonna go ahead and bake, and I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier setting powder. I forgot my Airspun, but if you guys are looking for a cheap setting powder, I recommend the Airspun. And I do recommend the ultra translucent one, because there's like different kinds, and I know a lot of people tell me to give it gives flashback, but get the translucent one because that one doesn't, at least to me, it doesn't give me flashback. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bake. Okay. So now we're gonna jump into the eyes, and I'm so excited for this palette because it is gorgeous. I love the packaging, dun, 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 dun. And I love the colors, and I love how it has a big mirror. This layout reminds me a lot of the Makeup by Shayla one, which I love. I literally have my makeup that I took to Acapulco. If you guys don't know, I went to Acapulco to visit my mom for my sister's quinceañera as well, and I took that palette with me. I actually did my sister's makeup and it came out so pretty. I don't think we have pictures, like that's the worst thing, right? But I'm gonna try to recreate the look that I did on her because I was obsessed with it. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this palette, and I'm just gonna play and see what so I think I want to jump into Wild Soul, which is this cute yellowish mustard color right here. Oh my god, look how much fucking powder came out. I was not expecting that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. I like literally went in there and swirled so hard. But I guess it's gonna be pigmented, bitch, because that's what it means. So I'm just applying this all over the crease and into the inner corner over here. Oh my god, I'm scared now because if it's that pigmented, like I already did my face, guys. It has a lot of fallout, like a lot of fallout. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this shade right here, which I don't know how to pronounce it. This one doesn't have as much fallout. I'm gonna apply this in the inner outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna blend it into the crease. I'm gonna go back to that brush that I was using, and I'm gonna jump into that color and just kind of blend it all out. And I want to jump into Misbehave, which is this one right here, and apply it in the inner outer part as well. Just kind of dab it in there, tap it and blend it, but kind of just focusing it in the outer part, just to like have the main color right at the outer part of the eye, and then slowly bring it into the inner part of the eye, but kind of just focus all the color in the outer part right here, and slowly bringing it up here in circular motions. The shade's so pretty. I think I'm gonna put emerald dream on my eyes, and I'm gonna go back to this brush and kind of blend everything out one more time before I put that color. I'm gonna jump into Emerald Dream, and I'm gonna apply this. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid to the outer part and kind of like blend it into that Misbehave shade, okay? I actually like Muse. Let's do Emerald Green. I haven't played with colors, so. Okay, so it has fallout. So I'm just gonna wet my brush and then apply this all over the lid. This shade is so pretty. Oh my god, I can't. It's like perfect for Christmas too. Like, you know, that green, Christmas green. So now that I applied that shade, I'm gonna go back into the Misbehave and kind of tap this in the outer part just to like blend it out a little bit more with that shade in the outer part right here. And then I'm gonna jump into Divina, which is a little bit darker, like a plum color, and then just really focus it in the outer part right here. Just dabbing it. I don't want any fallout on myself. And just blending it out with a smaller brush. I'm gonna go back into emerald green and kind of just blend everything out, making sure everything's perfect. So I'm gonna jump into the bottom lash line and I'm gonna repeat the steps. I'm gonna go into the shade right here, just repeat the same colors in the bottom lash line. And I'm gonna jump into the V-nut lastly and apply that on the outer corner as well, outer part of my eye. So I already applied lashes off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and put lip liner, and I'm using what color is this? I'm not sure, but I'll link it down below. I just know it's from the iluvvsarahii collection. And I'm gonna jump into the color Picky by ColourPop as well. I put bronzer already. My bronzer was not ColourPop though. And for lip gloss, I'm gonna apply Neat Freak. This is probably like my third gloss, like tube of this gloss, because I love it. It's literally really good. I really like it. I just wish the applicator was a little bit different because it's like that little brush. And I would like it to be like an, you know, the other ones. No, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. For highlight, I'm gonna grab Booming from ColourPop as well. I'm gonna apply it on the tip of my nose. This is like a really golden, and right here. I don't really like loose highlights. I don't know why, but I'll make it work. I just feel like they're so much harder to blend. I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Just to give it a little something here. But yeah, this is the final look. Like, I started this video like very but then like I kind of shut down because I'm doing my makeup and I can't like really talk into my makeup, so that's something I'm like working on. So hopefully in the next videos I'll be more talkative throughout the video, but then I feel like I talk too much and then you guys get annoyed. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I really like all the products. The only product that I'm like about, it's a sponge and the foundation, but I feel like I just didn't use, I feel like it's a sponge. I feel like it absorbed a lot of powder, so I'm gonna give the foundation another try. But it was a really good match with my skin, so I really like that. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure I really like ColourPop as a brand. I feel like it's super affordable and they come out with really good products. So yeah, hopefully one day I have an affiliate code, you know, if I could put it right here. Just kidding. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video and I will see you guys on my next one.